So, you have successfully brewed your first batch of kombucha. Congratulations. But now comes the fun part, adding flavor. If you've ever wondered how people make strawberry lemonade, blueberry, or pineapple kombucha, it all happens during something called second fermentation, or F2. Today, I'll show you exactly how I flavor my kombucha, the tools I use, and the simple process that turns plain kombucha into something that you'll look forward to drinking. Let's get started. Second fermentation, often called F2, is where your kombucha develops flavor and often more carbonation. During the first fermentation, the SCOBY transforms the sweet tea into kombucha. Once that's complete, you remove the SCOBY and some starter tea to save that for your next batch. The remaining kombucha is what you'll flavor. Think of the first fermentation as building the foundation and the second fermentation as adding personality. And this is where you can get creative. When it comes to flavoring kombucha, fresh fruit is my favorite place to start. I love using strawberries, blueberries, lemons, mint, basil, peaches, and herbs to flavor my kombucha. One of the best things about making kombucha at home is experimenting with seasonal ingredients. Remember, don't be afraid to try combinations that sound good to you. How much fruit should I use? This is one of the questions I get asked the most. The short answer is there's no perfect amount because every fruit has different levels of sweetness and juice. For me personally, I like to start small. You can always add more flavor next time, but once it's bottled, you can't take it away. For beginners, consistency is more important than perfection. Take notes on each batch so you know exactly what you enjoy. How long should F2 last? After bottling your kombucha with fruit, you'll let it sit at room temperature for another few days. This allows the natural sugars from the fruit to create additional carbonation. Remember, warmer kitchens usually speed things up and cooler kitchens slows things down. I enjoy checking my bottles daily so I can find the level of carbonation that I enjoy. Beginner mistakes. I have definitely made my share of mistakes over the years, whether I added too much fruit or waiting too long before I refrigerated the kombucha, or using bottles that weren't designed for carbonation. The biggest lesson I have learned is that simple flavors make the best kombucha. Remember, start simple and build your confidence. Consistency is better than perfection. If you're ready to try some amazing flavor combinations, don't miss the next episode where I'm sharing 5 of my favorite kombucha recipes, including the one that I make on repeat again and again. And if you're just joining the series, thanks for watching. But make sure you go back and watch episodes 1, 2, and 3 so you understand the entire brewing process before adding flavor. And if this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next brew. Until next time, may all your kombucha be fizzy and delicious.